Yeah, I'm the younger brother of Cubana Chief Priest, Pascal Okechukwu, and my name is Bethel Okechukwu, popularly known as Streeter. My brother is a very generous person. He has helped a lot of people. I know he's busy right now, and I pray that one day he will remember me also. For now, I'm a phone repairer in Alaba International Market, Lagos.
My people, what are we going to call this? The video you just watched is the video of Cubana Chief Priest's younger brother. According to the guy, from what he said that he's now a full repairer in Alaba International Market in Lagos State. My country people, even though that his brother Cubana Chief Priest helps the poor, but imagine his condition. That he prays that one day that his brother will remember him. But wait, we need to ask question. Now, looking at these young guys on this video, you will discover that truly they look alike. He have a very light look with Cubana Chief Priest. Now we come to ask of, is Cubana Chief Priest brother actually suffering? And Cubana Chief Priest, as big man as he is, as weighty as he is, he's not even bothered at all to brush off his younger brother away from poverty, but he's busy showcasing his wealth on the social media app. Now, wow. What's your opinion concerning this? Because I wonder what is actually happening in Nigeria. We only hear these cases only in the movie, where you can be a ritualist, they will tell you don't help your brothers, don't help your family with the money you have. Now, are you a ritualist, Cubana Chief Priest? We are just asking. Please don't forget to share.